Hi everyone, I'm Kaylee, and today I'm going to show you how to fill out the ticket form for a social media request. Let's make this simple. First, find the form link on Slack. Open the Ticket social media channel, then click on Pins at the top. The link to the form is always there. Click the form link to open it. Now, let's fill out the form. First, enter your email. Then, choose your name from the drop-down list. If your name isn't listed yet, you can select Onboarding Agent. Give your ticket a title. Then, in the description, tell us exactly what you need. Make sure to be very clear and specific, and add all the necessary details to help us create what you need. If you have images or examples, upload them here by clicking the Upload button. If you have multiple files, you can send them via Slack to us directly. And that's it. Super easy. If you add all the necessary details up front, your request will be processed faster. Missing information means delays, so the more specific you are, the quicker we can help you. Once we get your ticket, we'll reach out if we need more details. Please remember that all processing times are subject to workload and special projects. Thank you for watching.